Introducing the Web Transfer Client, which is integrated with Globalscape's EFT software. The Web Transfer Client is a browser-based file transfer client that allows users to transfer files over HTTPS to and from the EFT server. Using the Web Transfer Client, users can upload and download files, pause and resume a transfer, cancel a transfer, move files between folders, create, rename, and delete folders and files, and share folders with other users. It's HTML5 based, there's no Java components, and it's compatible with all major browsers. Let's take a look at the interface in more detail. This is the Web Transfer Client login. Obviously, I'm typing in my username and password. This is a logo that can be replaced with your company logo. Fonts and colors and backgrounds can be changed to fit your needs. If you notice here, there's an SSO login feature. If that's enabled in your system, this is another way to log in. I'm going to log in. Once the user is logged in, the screen refreshes and shows what the user has access to. On the left-hand side is folder structures. This would be the home folder for that particular user account. In the middle are the folders that are located inside that home folder. So these are all the folders I have access to. These are individual files. There are a couple of ways that files can be uploaded into the system. I can simply take the file and drag and drop it into this area, into the middle area of the screen. Or I can upload like this by clicking on the traditional upload button, and I'll select my whatever folder that I'm looking at, and I can select multiple files. I can hit the shift key to select several of them, or I can hit the control key individually and then upload. And then if you look, obviously it's going to ask me to overwrite a file that I've already uploaded, but if you look on the right, it shows you in progress of the files that are being uploaded. The next link over here will show you the complete history of what I've done for this particular session. So again, you can drag and drop files up here. You can upload here as well. You can drag and drop folders. You can upload folders this way as well. You can create new folders. And if you notice here, this menu will change based on what you're doing. In this case, I have the download, rename, move, delete functions. Now, again, this is based on the permissions that you have assigned to you on your particular home folder. Then if I select my folder here, same concept. I have the download, rename, move, delete functions as well. But there's in other modules, other features will be available to you. To go back to the folder structure here on the left-hand side for a second. This folder here called Shared With Me and this feature here called Received and Sent Messages. This is part of a Workspaces module. And it'll be part of another video, but this allows you to dynamically share folders with internal users, external users, set permissions during the registration process, and even set an expiration date. But we'll talk about that in another video. Another function is this filter function. So if you have, hundreds of documents or thousands of documents, and you're looking for a particular one, you just type in the key letters here and it'll filter based on that information. On the top right of the interface is your user account, your logout button, and your profile information. You select the profile, you can change the language that's being displayed here. You have 10 languages available to you. You can change the date format if you need to. You can even change the number format. If you're using the regulatory compliance module and using the GDPR technology, you can exercise your data rights here listed. And you can change your personal data information if you need to. And then the last one would be the about, which is the licensing information of the software. From an admin point of view, there are additional customizations that you can make for the Web Transfer Client, like default settings, for example. That customization file is called the admin-configuration.json file, and it's located, the default location is under Program Files, Globalscape, EFT Server, Web, Shadowfax, WTC Assets folder. A couple examples of these customizations. Batch download as zip threshold is equal to 5, which means if I'm downloading 6 files, so to speak, from the system, it'll take those 6 files, put it in a zip format, and then I'll download the file, and then allow you to download the file. Another example, concurrent upload limit is set to 5. That means when you're uploading files into the system, it'll only upload 5 at a time. Those are just several examples. You have default date time format, default language, default number format, things like that. And that information is located in our online documentation. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this technology and have questions or would like a demo, reach out to our sales department and we will coordinate a meeting. Thank you.